Hello friend, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wild Loop Robotic and Automation. Today we are going to learn Hello World web server. In this tutorial, we will get started with web server by building a simple Hello World web server. We will set the ESP32 or ESP8266 as a Wi-Fi station that is connected to our router. Then we can access the web server by typing the ESP IP address on, on a browser in our local network. Then we can access the ESP IP address. We will see the Hello World web page. Let us start. I have already created the code. There is two files, boot.py and hello-world.py. Boot.py is for network connectivity and creating web server. This is for HTML page. So I will explain boot.py. I am creating web server using socket and Python socket API. So I will import socket library. After that I will import network library. It will allow us to connect. It will allow us to connect ESP32 or ESP8266 to a Wi-Fi network. Okay. So this library allows us to connect the ESP32 or ESP8266 to a Wi-Fi network. After that, I import ESP library, and this is garbage collector, and this is our router SSID and password. This is station object. It will create our board ESP32 or ESP8266 as a Wi-Fi station. And here activate the Wi-Fi station. It will connect this line will be connect our board to our router by using SSID and password. This statement ensures that the code does not proceed while the ESP is not connected to our network. It will print the network interface parameter like ESP IP address. Now we will go for hello world.py. This is HTML code to create our page like hello world. This is to create a socket using socket.socket function and specify the type. We create a new socket object called as with the given address, family and socket type. This line bind a socket to an address using bind function method. This line enable the server to accept the connection. It make a listening socket. The argument is specify the maximum number of queue connection. Here is 5 maximum number of connection. In while loop, when a client connect the server, call the accept method to accept the connection. This line print the client address and save it in address variable. This line gets the request received on the newly created socket and save it in the request variable. This line simple print the content of the request. This line create a variable called response. This contains the HTML text requested by the web page function. Finally, send the response to the socket client using send function and send all function. This is close to created socket. Now I will connect the board. COM port 3 ESP32 is already here. First I will upload boot.py file. Oh, I think we need to disconnect and connect again. Again connect the board. I will run. Okay, here is printed IP address of my board. And then I will upload the hello world.py file. Okay, I will connect to my browser. Here you can see hello world is printed. I hope you understood this and you enjoyed this video. So please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.